Mr. Speaker, we now have a chance to deliver real, lasting change for the American people. The one big, beautiful bill is not just a promise that we as House Republicans and President Trump made. This is a generational opportunity to reset the direction of our great nation. Let me be clear. My colleagues on the other side of the aisle don't like this bill because it puts hard-working Americans first, not the bureaucrats, not special interests, and not those who break our laws. Our friends on the left like to shout, "The sky is falling, the sky is falling." Enough with the Chicken Little mentality in this body. This bill stops the largest tax increase in U.S. history. This bill will increase take-home pay by more than $13,000 and grow wages by more than $11,000. It protects Medicaid for our citizens by removing more than 1 million illegal aliens from taxpayer-funded benefits. And yes, Mr. Speaker, this draws the clear line. No taxpayer dollars for sex change surgeries for anyone. I urge a yes vote on this big, beautiful bill.